約伯記第16章。
Job chapter 16.
約伯回答說：
Then Job answered and said,
這樣的話我聽了許多，你們安慰人，反叫人愁煩。
I have heard many such things. Miserable comforters are you all.
虛空的言語有窮盡嗎？有什麼話惹動你回答呢？
Shall words of wind have an end? Or what provokes you that you answer?
我也能說你們那樣的話。你們若處在我的境遇，我也會聯絡言語攻擊你們，又能向你們搖頭。
I also could speak as you do, if your soul were in my soul's place. I could heap up words against you, and shake my head at you.
但我必用口堅固你們，用嘴消解你們的憂愁。
But I would strengthen you with my mouth, and the comfort of my lips would relieve your grief.
我雖說話，憂愁仍不得消解；我雖停住不說，憂愁就離開我嗎？
Though I speak, my grief is not relieved, and if I remain silent, how am I eased?
但現在神使我困倦，使親友遠離我。
But now he has worn me out. You have made desolate all my company.
又抓住我，作見證攻擊我。我身體的枯瘦也當面見證我的不是。
You have shriveled me up, and it is a witness against me. My leanness rises up against me, and bears witness to my face.
主發怒撕裂我，逼迫我，向我切齒。我的敵人怒目看我。
He tears me in his wrath and hates me. He gnashes at me with his teeth. My adversary sharpens his gaze on me.
他們向我開口，打我的臉羞辱我，聚會攻擊我。
They gape at me with their mouth. They strike me reproachfully on the cheek. They gather together against me.
神把我交給不敬虔的人，把我扔到惡人的手中。
God has delivered me to the ungodly, and turned me over to the hands of the wicked.
我素來安逸，他折斷我，掐住我的頸項，把我摔碎，又立我為他的箭靶子。
I was at ease, but he has shattered me. He also has taken me by my neck, and shaken me to pieces. He has set me up for his target.
他的弓箭手四面圍繞我，他破裂我的肺腑，並不留情，把我的膽傾倒在地上。
His archers surround me. He pierces my heart and does not pity. He pours out my gall on the ground.
將我破裂又破裂，如同勇士向我直闖。
He breaks me with wound upon wound. He runs at me like a warrior.
我縫麻布在我皮膚上，把我的角放在塵土中。
I have sewn sackcloth over my skin, and laid my head in the dust.
我的臉因哭泣發紫，在我的眼皮上有死印。
My face is flushed from weeping, and on my eyelids is the shadow of death.
我的手中卻無強暴，我的祈禱也是清潔。
Although no violence is in my hands, and my prayer is pure.
地啊，不要遮蓋我的血，不要阻擋我的哀求。
O earth, do not cover my blood, and let my cry have no resting place.
現今在天有我的見證，在上有我的中保。
Surely even now my witness is in heaven, and my evidence is on high.
我的朋友譏笑我，我卻向神眼淚汪汪。
My friends scorn me. My eyes pour out tears to God.
願人得與神辯白，如同人與朋友辯白一樣。
Oh, that one might plead for a man with God, as a man pleads for his neighbor.
因為再過幾年，我必走那往而不返之路。
For when a few years are finished, I shall go the way of no return.